Hi, welcome back to my channel. I need to warm up a little before this stream, so feel free to join to the discussion, and if you have any question, you can just ask me on chat. In the following video, I'm going to create a FiveM plugin that allows me to store all chat messages into database. I think it's a very good example to warm up after such a long break. I didn't notice, but I haven't streaming for about 60 days, I think. So it's a lot of time, and I need to get used to C# again. Okay, so let's start. I don't know why, but I have a problem with connecting to the FiveM server. I think that the problem is because of high load of the server. I mean, because it's overloaded. But I'm not sure if it's true. Okay, I'm going to put. I prepared a Git repository for today's stream, and I'm going to put the link in the description of the video. So all of the source code that I will make, you can find here. And I'm going, as you can see, it's empty repository now, but I'm going to add okay. Let's see if the server started. No. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare a database. I have already installed XAMPP server, which contains MySQL database. I think that's the easiest way to install and configure your own database on Windows. So you can start your own sandbox as I have done. So I recommend to you just to install XAMPP server, and if you want to run MySQL database, you have to just open XAMPP control panel and just click start on next to MySQL database. Okay, let's see if my okay, something is wrong with my Okay, I think that my MySQL database is already running because I ran it yesterday, and we'll see. I also installed MySQL Workbench, which allows me to connect to my MySQL database, and it allows me to make a queries. Okay, let's try to connect as my sandbox user. Okay, I think it works. Okay, let's try to select. Okay, as you can see, I already have some tables in my database. Okay, let me drop all of the unnecessary tables, all of unnecessary tables. Okay, maybe I'm going to drop it here, and I will prepare another script only for today's stream. Okay, let's check how to display all of the tables. Maybe show tables. Okay. Yes, so as you can see, I don't have any tables in my schema. I'm going to use Oracle nomenclature because I'm Oracle developer and I do not use MySQL. So for me, this table, this let's say database is just a schema for me. Okay. So let's create another connection. So new query tab. Okay, so let's create a database table, like create table message. I prefer to use singular as a naming convention, because you can use you can call table like messages or like message, and I prefer message in singular because it's very useful to map the table when you are using ORM frameworks. Okay, what I want to have in my message table is I would like to have ID column, which is number. Okay, I don't remember how to do this. I need to copy it. Okay, so I'm going to have I want to have ID column, which is auto increment, and it's integer, and it's also marked as primary key. And I also want to have let's say a column called message text, or just okay, message text, or just message body maybe. Okay, and I would like to declare that it is let's say 2000 characters long. Okay, let's create the table. As you can see, the table was created. Okay, and let's try to add some message to the table. Insert into message. Values. Just enter into message, message body. Values, let's say sample message. As you can see, the message was added. I think that I have auto commit enabled, so I don't have to commit the transaction. Okay, let's try to select from the table. Okay. Oh, white table. Okay, select from message. Just select from message. Okay, as you can see, I have my message here. I'm going to add another message just to have more than one, to be able that I'm able to read a whole collections of messages later. Another message. Okay, and third message. Okay, as you can see, I have a bunch of free messages here. I don't know why it is so slow. Okay, I'm going to put this script into my sandbox repository later. Okay, as you can see, my server started. So I think it's time to create a project with. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a C# project with MySQL connector, and I'm going to make a connection to my database, and then I'm going to store. I'm going to send chat messages from UI through the event server to server part, and then I'm going to store the message into database. Okay. If you have any question, you can just ask me on chat. Feel free to join to the discussion. Because as I told you, today I'm warming up after a 60 days of break in streaming. Okay. So let's try to remember how to create a brand new plugin in C# from scratch. Okay, let's open Visual Studio. What I noticed yesterday is that my community license expired, and I had to and after 30 days I had to log in using my Microsoft account. It's strange for me because you know, I wanted to use community edition, and I want to use community edition, and I have to, you know, registering. I don't like Microsoft. Okay, so let's create a new project. Here, I think. I need to remember almost everything, so just forgive me. Okay. I have to choose class library .NET Framework. Next. Okay, let's choose my. Before that, let's call my project name MySQL chat. MySQL, let's say chat. Okay, MySQL chat store. What's the solution? Okay, the solution name is MySQL chat store, and the project name is I'm going to create a backend project. So let's call it MySQL chat store server. Okay, ensure that the right .NET Framework version is chosen. Was chosen. Okay, and let's create let's choose a correct path. Okay, I haven't checked out my project, so I need to do it now. So I'm going to clone this repository. I'm using source3 as my JIT client. If you don't have your favorite one, I recommend it to you, especially if you are working with a large number of repositories. It's very comfortable. Okay, so let's clone new repository. Okay, so let's create a branch called stream01. Maybe not stream01. I will call the branch like using today's date, current date. Yeah, so throwing chat messages. Okay. Okay, so let's create our project. I think that I made a mistake here. Yeah, I made a mistake. Okay, let's rename branch. Okay, that will be my solution name. I hope that it works. It would. I hope that it will work. So I don't remember if I should put it in a subfolder or not. I think it's okay now. Yes, it's okay. Okay, so what next? As far I remember, at first I should configure the gitignore file because there is a lot of mess here. So I'm going to copy my one of my old gitignore files. Okay. Okay, it's not here. Okay, it's here. Okay, as you can see, no, not all of this files appeared. I need to edit my gitignore files, and I have to add something like this. Okay, as you can see, all of my unnecessary files disappeared. So that will be the base, our base application, our base model. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to commit it now just to see you, just to show you what are the differences between the base project and the minimal version that works. Okay, that's okay. Hi, Seth, have you been here on my channel or your first time here? Stevko, I think. Sorry for my pronunciation. If you have any question or any idea, you can just write me on chat. Okay, so let's create the first commit. So our best project. Yes, I'm from Poland. Why do you ask? Because Stefko asked me if I'm from Poland or not. Yes, I'm from Poland, and sorry for my. Okej, to dobrze. A ty też jesteś z Polski, czy znasz trochę polskiego? Okej, możesz też pytać po polsku, but I will try to speak in English because some of my guests are from, are not from Poland. So, but you can ask me in Polish if you want. Tak tylko powiem ci na wstępie, nie streamowałem jakieś 2 miesiące w tym momencie, więc muszę się trochę rozgrać na tym czacie i jako temat tutaj pytałem właśnie moich poprzednich widzów, co by chcieli, no to chcieliby zobaczyć, jak napisać w C-Sharpie projekt, w zasadzie jak podłączyć się, jak napisać plugin, który łączy się do bazy danych i coś tam sobie zapisuje. No i to właśnie tak dzisiaj robię, czyli pokażę, jak tutaj w C-Sharpie podłączyć bazę danych MySQL-ową, którą wcześniej skonfigurowałem i jak zapisywać po prostu message z czatu. Okay, so at first let's try to prepare some simple plugin. To zależy. Pytasz, Stefku pisze, czy pisze w Lua. Ogólnie to nie piszę w ogóle pluginów, tylko robię, znaczy zacząłem to trochę poznawać tam parę miesięcy temu i jakby stwierdziłem, że się trochę tym pobawię. I teraz na pytanie, czy piszę w Lua, w zasadzie po tym, co zobaczyłem do tej pory, okazało się, że tak naprawdę trzeba pisać w sumie we wszystkim. Czasem warto użyć Lua, czasem warto JavaScripta użyć, a czasem C# akurat najmniej chyba z tych trzech języków, jeśli chodzi tutaj o programowanie właśnie pluginów. Ale tak będę coś dopisywał w Lua. Mam takie przykłady, których się na przykład nie dało zrobić w C-Sharpie i walczyłem kilka dobrych godzin z problemami, które tam miałem i nie mogłem sobie poradzić. I to nie chodzi o to, że to było coś ściśle z programowaniem, tylko dostawałem tam SSL Handshake wyjątek i no nie byłem w stanie tego obejść, nie byłem w stanie dodać certyfikatów. Coś miało stare certyfikaty, nie byłem w stanie tego po prostu nigdzie dodać. Musiałem użyć po prostu tylko do jednego elementu musiałem użyć. Mogłem cały kod praktycznie napisać w C-Sharpie, ale sam strzał po reszcie na zewnątrz musiałem użyć właśnie klienta chyba w JavaScriptie wtedy. To było do Discorda. Chyba jest ten odcinek na YouTube, tak mi się wydaje. Okay, let's come back to the main topic. Okay, so it's time to create a very simple plugin. Let's call it. Let's rename the class to MySQL Chat Store Server. Ok, do zobaczenia w takim razie. Ok. So that's our. Okay, the next step is just to implement the constructor, and as far as I remember, we need to implement function. We need to implement call listener on resource start or something like that. I will find it in a minute. So let's create a constructor here. Okay, I need to remember almost everything. Okay, I will open my old project. Okay, so at first we need to add libraries. I forgot about it. Okay, so let's I told you that I need to remember um, almost everything after 2 months of break. But now I remember. I need to create a. I'm going to prepare a folder with two libraries, two FiveM libraries. Let's put them into lib folder here, and I have those files here. I copied those files from one from the original names were CitizenFX core, and one comes from server, one comes from client part. So I renamed them to CitizenFX core client and server. So I'm going to copy both of them to my project. And as far as I remember, I need to add server DLL files into my server project. But let me remember where is the option to do this. It's here. Yeah, it's reference. No, not here. Sorry. Okay, it's here. Okay, so let's add a reference. Browse and yeah. Okay, so I'm going to add this server reference here. Okay, the second step is, as far as remember, is to configure the project. Let's go back to the first tab, and the first thing we need to do is just to add some extension here. Yeah. Hi, welcome back. I think that I remember you from my previous streams. Yeah, I'm warming up after 2 months of break in streaming, so yes, I have worse time in my life, and I need to make a little break. But now I came back, and today is my first stream after this long break. So if you had any idea what we can do in the future, just feel free to write me here or you can just write me on Discord. Okay. I also bought a VPS server, so I have a place that we can let's say experiment. Yes, we can experiment with. We can make some experiments with plugins and playing with bigger group. But I haven't configured it yet. Okay, so let me warm up a little because I'm so slow today. Okay, this one. So the first thing is just to add the extension, and I think that I use also build event. I should use build event tab to copy my artifacts to the target folder. Let me think. Okay, I have copy script here. So the easiest way is just to add this xcopy command in a post build event, and I'm going to copy my my artifacts from target path to let's say let's say MySQL chat store. That will be my plugin name. Okay, let's save it. And I think it's time to add some on resource tab listener. Okay, let me think. Okay, I should extend some the class should extend something, as I remember. Yes, it should extend base script. Okay, sorry, I forgot almost everything, but remembering is it's much easier than you know, to remember some things is much easier than to learn it again. Okay, so let's generate method on resource start, and let's yeah, let's write some debug message. Yep. That's all. Okay, so this is our it's the basic version of the script. It should, I think that it should works. So let's try to build the solution. What was the script? Control Shift B. Okay, Control Shift. Okay, let's try to build it. Okay, the command xcopy between the processor architecture. Okay, I think that I should change something here. Let me think. Where was it? Platform target. Okay, I'm going to switch the target platform to x64. Let's try to build it again. Okay, and that's another problem with build event. I made some mistake here. Okay, the command xcopy. Okay, let's check the path. Okay, as I remember, I need to create there was a longer post build event. I used different one which deleted and created the target folder. So let me find one of my previous scripts. It should be somewhere here. Okay, let's open this project. Okay, I need to open it in a new window. No. Okay, Captain AGM told me that if I'm sure that the path is correct, I should add slash at the end. But the problem is, that I have to create target directory before I call xcopy command. That's the problem, I think. And I have solution for that in my previous projects, but as I told you, after 2 months of absence, I forgot. Oh, that's the same. Okay, it's strange. So maybe you are right. Let me open one more project. For example, this one. Or I'll just create. Okay, as you can see, it works. So I'll try to find the solution. It means how to delete the directory in Windows. Sorry, I'm Linux user. So I need to find, okay, remove directory. Okay, so it's this one. Okay, and make directory. Okay, I need a simple command, not whole article about it. Okay, just mk directory. Okay, so I did it in a wrong order, so now it should works. Okay, at first let's try to okay. Sorry for that. Okay. Too fast. Too fast. Okay. Okay. So, what strange behavior? I just, I just made a one step back and it deleted me whole line. Okay. Let's save it and let's try to rebuild it again. Okay. So let's try to let's say delete the directory. Let's try to build it again. Okay, as you can see, the folder was created. I'm going to check if it will be deleted also. Okay, it's deleted. Okay, so I have my basic. I have my simple plugin. So it's time to refresh. Okay, I forgot about manifest file. Another thing, sorry. So let's copy my manifest file from some of my previous project. Okay, I recommend to you to use because we have two formats of manifest files. The first one is underscore dot resource Lua file, and the second one is just affix manifest.lua, and you should use this one because the first one has some issue. I will tell you later. Okay. Okay, let me think how to copy. Okay, here. As you can see, now if you build the solution, the only one file is being copied to the it was copied to the directory. If you want to copy this file, you should choose copy always method. Okay, let's build it again. Okay, I think it won't work. So let's try to rebuild the solution. I have no idea why. Okay. So let's see the target server here, the target folder here. Hmm. It should work. Do you have any idea uh, why it's not being copied to the target folder? It shows that this section, copy always. Okay, I'm going to reopen the project because in some cases it's Microsoft, so I don't trust them. Okay, that's my project. Okay, I thought that this stream takes me about an hour, but now I see that it take me 2 hours or more. Okay, let's check it. Copy always. Okay, hi. Uh, feel free to join to the discussion, okay? And if you have any question, you can just ask. You can just ask on chat or on Discord if you want. Let me think. Okay, let's clean the solution, and let's rebuild the project. Oh, really? It's really nice to hear. As I told you before, I just bought a VPS server, so now I have a place that we can experiment with custom plugins, and so if you have any ideas what we can do together, you can just write me here or on Discord. Okay. Okay, what's the problem? I think that the problem is how I attach the file here, but why? Okay, let me try to add just text file. This is text file 1, and I'm going to add. Okay, it's a content, so maybe I should change the file type to content. Okay, let's try to rebuild. No. And let's mark it as copy always. Let's put some content. Let's rebuild. Okay, I have no idea what is the problem. Why it doesn't work? Yeah, of course, I agree with you. And that's what I did on one of my last streams, but as you probably noticed, it was 2 months ago, so I need to warm up a little after that break. Let me think. What is the problem? Okay, let me. Okay, I have the file here. Maybe. I need to open one of my older projects. Okay, it's strange. I cannot find any project that I with resource file. It's strange. Okay, let me. Okay, it is here. Okay, so let's open this solution. Okay, this is build action known. Copy always. Let's check it here. Okay, it's nothing special. For me, there is no difference between this file and those files that I created in here. Okay, it doesn't matter. I will try to fix it later, and I will tell you what is the solution. Okay, it's nothing special here. Okay, it doesn't matter. I will do it manually. I'll try to fix it later. It's a waste of time. Okay, let's try to refresh. As you can see, it found new resource. Okay, do you remember how to load the resource? Okay, it was start of. Look, I forgot almost everything. Okay, as you can see, the resource started. Go start and restart. Okay, so the basic version of our plugin works after 1 hour. Okay, so let's commit. And now I'm going to oh, one moment. Yes, now I'm going to remember uh, how to add MySQL support to my plugin. Okay. Okay, I need to delete this unnecessary text file from here. Okay, so now it's time to connect to MySQL server. To do this, I'm going to add some reference here, and let me think. I think that we should add a reference. We should go. Here, I'll just find MySQL. Okay, so it is on the first tab. So you should go to assemblies, and then you should find MySQL data, and you should just mark this checkbox. Okay, so let's add it to our project. Let's try to build it. Okay, and now it's time to write a simple. It's time to write simple MySQL connector. So let's go to the plugin class, and let's try to test MySQL. But before that, let's try to find some example how to do this. Just in C#, not in the FiveM. Okay, here you can see the simplest example. But I'm not sure. Okay, so that's what I was looking for, because I remember that I had problems with opening my SQL connection, and as I remember, it was because of using OpenAsync. So I'm looking for an example that I used before. Okay, so it looks like this example should also works. The only difference is that I should use OpenAsync here. Okay, so let's try to connect to my database. Okay, the server is localhost, the user is no, it isn't, but I'm doing it very, very slow. So now I'm trying to connect to MySQL database. I've done it once or twice, but after 2 months I forgot how to do it. So I need to learn it again and find the solution again with you. Just now on the stream. Okay, so what was the username and the password? I think that the username was sandbox01. Let me think. Database, connect to database. Okay, the username is sandbox01, and I think that the password is the same. Well, let's try. Okay, we will try the same password. Database is the same, I think, and the password. Let's try the same. What is the database name? Okay, database is I think the same. Okay, let's try to do the same. Because at first I would like to see if I'm able to connect to MySQL database, and next we can reformat our code and make it better. Okay, select count from message. We should get 3. Okay, so that's the result, and we like to debug right line. To MySQL. Connected, and that's all. Okay, that's all. I think that I used wrong password, but let's try to restart. Oh, okay, as you can see, I got the exception. Okay, so I need to add DLL files called MySQL data. And to do this, I think that I should change something here, like copy local, maybe will be copied to the output directory. Let's okay, it's I think that I have a problem with copying files because this library should be copied automatically to the target directory, and as you can see, it isn't. So I don't know why there is a problem with that. There is still the problem. Let me think for a moment, because I have made an example where I use when my MySQL connection works. So let me find it. Here's old still test menu. As you can see here, I have fx.lua file in my target directory. So this project is configured correctly. So I'll try to open it. Okay, and what about this one? Okay. As you can see, it works much better, but than today's project. Okay, so what is the problem? Look, copy always, and it works. Okay, I'm going to compare this solution files because I don't know what is the difference between those two projects. Do you have any idea what is the project? Sorry, do you have any idea what is the problem of why I'm not able to copy copy my resources to target directory? Class library. Nothing special here. Okay, the only difference is just I added a custom path here. Okay, I will try to do it. I will try to do it here. And at first, let's compare solutions and then, or just projects maybe. Oh no, maybe let's start from solutions or projects. Did I tell you that I don't like Microsoft? Because I think that the problem is with my CS project file. There is something different. There is some difference between those two files, and I have no idea. You know what's the problem? Okay, there was some difference here. It was a keyword private. Okay, there's no other differences. Guys, I have no idea what is the problem. Copy local, true. Okay, one more thing. Let's check the whole solution. This one works. So why this project is different than that one? One more time. This is Sandbox native UI client. Maybe there is a problem with library that I used. Okay, I will try one more thing because I'm not sure. Let's create another project here. Let's call it client. Okay, let's create some text file here. Okay, and let's mark it as copy always. Okay, let's try to build the solution. The same issue here. So the problem is somewhere else. Okay, one more time. I'm going to create one new project. Okay, let's add new file. It doesn't work. Guys, I have no idea why this IDE doesn't work. I hate Microsoft. So Okay, so it was copied here. Okay, I think that I was a little tired and I didn't notice that everything actually works. Hold on. Okay, let's try to rebuild the solution. Uh, okay. Okay, so everything worked. And I don't know why I haven't noticed that everything was okay. Everything was correct. Okay, I think that I'm a little tired, and that's that's why I haven't noticed that. Look, and let's try to copy all of the resources to. Let's see if all of the resources was copied to the target directory. As you can see, it's not. Now, let me think why. Let's copy target path to this location. Okay, it's target path or target there. Okay, that's the I think that was the problem. Yeah. Guys, that was the problem. It took me 1 hour to get the solution. So the problem was with this line. I should use target directory to copy instead of target path. Okay, I will come back. Now I need some break, and I will come back to the stream in a few hours. Okay, so thank you very much, and see you in a few hours.